Hello friends! Today I will share simple but effective glowing tips. This video has two parts: internal glowing up, external glowing up. Let's start. Internal glowing up. Wake up early and sleep early. Follow the CMT routine daily cleansing guarantees. Drink lemon and honey water daily. Exercise regularly. Bath daily. Drink any fruits juice every morning. Stay hydrated. Drink 8 glasses of water daily. Eat a healthy diet. Eat fresh fruits daily. Get enough sleep. External glowing up. Do proper skincare routine. Use fresh aloe vera gel daily. Use lip balm daily. Exfoliate your face once a week. Wear comfortable and clean clothes. Don't use shampoo every day. Do hair oiling twice a week. Use hair mask once a week. Use eyelashes growth serum every night. Use Homa Matte face mask. Do natural look makeup. Take care of your lips and nails. Brush your teeth twice a day. Wash your face twice a day with gentle cleanser. Always moisturize your hands and feet. Do always try new hairstyle. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment for more videos.